Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going all in and building complete PC setup based on the parts we covered in previous video. Let's start with the motherboard. The MSI B450A Pro Max 2 motherboard. This build is on a AM4 socket, which means it's compatible with a wide range of AMD Ryzen processor, including the Ryzen 5 3400G, which we are using today. Let's we discuss about the processor. The processor used here is AMD Ryzen 5 3400G. This is a 4-core 8-thread APU based on AMD Zen Plus architecture, clocked at 3.7 GHz base and up to 4.2 GHz boost. But here what makes it awesome for a budget build. It comes with Radeon Vega 11 integrated graphics, which means you can game without a dedicated GPU, still get a solid 1080p performance. Alright, moving on to the RAM. We are using 2 into 8 GB sticks of Crozier DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz. That gives us a total of 16 GB memory. We are using 2 sticks instead of 1 stick, so we can run in a dual channel mode. That means the system can access both the stick at the same time, which doubles the memory bandwidth and gives a big boost in performance, especially for gaming, video ratings, and even when using compared to a single 16 GB sticks. You will notice a faster load times and better FPS and snapper multitasking overall. Plus, Crozier build quality and low profile heating spread makes it greater fit for a build. For storage, we are going to use the WD Green 500 GB NVMe SSD. It is an M2 NVMe drive, which means it's plugged in right to the motherboard. It has a read speed up to 2400 MBs per second. To keep this entire build powered up, we are using the eSport 450L, a 450 watt power supply that's perfect for our budget. It delivers a 450 watts of reliable power, which make more than enough for our Ryzen 5 3400G. Since we are not using a dedicated GPU right now, we are keeping this power efficiency and this PCU handles without break any as fit. And finally, for wireless connectivity, we are adding a TP-Link 150 Mbps Wi-Fi USB dongle. Its plug-and-play device gives us instant access to Wi-Fi. Let's begin to assemble. Alright, so here the step by step of how we put the build together. First, I install the power supply into the case to get out the power setup ready and make the cable routing easier later on. Next up, I mounted the motherboard, the MSI B450A Pro Max 2 into the case and secured it in place with the standoff and screws. Then I installed the Ryzen 5 3400G processor, carefully aligned the triangular maker and locked it into the AM4 socket. After that, I added the cooler. Right up top of CPU